Matapos ang exciting na umaga, sa Busay Spring Waterfalls naman kami nag-relax.
Thank you po. Wow, the people here are so nice. So friendly. There we are. There's the falls.
It's just a short trek from the highway. Nakaka-relax talaga dito sa Busay Spring Waterfalls. Pwedeng mag-swimming dito dahil malinis naman ang tubig, saka magsalo-salo sa mga kubo dito.
Grab your plate. Our adventure here in Camotes Island wouldn't be complete without learning and experiencing how to make their own local delicacy, which is kab-kab in their local dialect. So what is kab-kab again, Sue?
Kab-kab is actually one of the snacks here that most people would like to buy.
Ang first step, kayo rin ang kasaba sa kalagyan ng condensed milk o asukal. Matapos haluin ang ingredients, i-flatten ito sa dahon ng saging gamit ang parchment paper at bote o rolling pin. Kapag flat na, ihuhugis ito ng bilog, saka i-steam ng 1 minuto at ibibilad ng 3 oras. Pagkatapos niyan, ready na ito for deep frying.
So you have to be quick. Nay!
Dahil ang tourism industry dito sa Camotes Island ay nagsisimula pa lang as Lakwatseros, we were concerned that many of the natural resources in the area would be damaged or destroyed. Kaya inalam namin kung paano nila papangalagaan ang natural resources ng isla.
Maybe we're already talking with the private investors to put up hotels or resort. But as much as possible, they have to submit first their plan.
Yeah, speaking of that, how do you maintain the cleanliness and also the current natural beauty state of the environment?
People's participation. So yung mga tao namin dito, aware na sila na sa health, yung parang sa mga lamok, ganon. So yung cleanliness, parang part na rin sa buhay nila.